So I had my eyes set on UPL. Again, very simple reason to select the stock. Stock was at support and there was a red candle formed which broke the previous day's inside bar, and as we know, this is a fake candle. If you don't know what's a fake candle, please do. You'll understand what it is. This video doesn't give me the time to explain it. So basically this means that there is a good chance the price must reverse. So of course we need confirmation, and that came beautifully in 15-minute chart. You can see here the first four candles or first three candles were hammers, and the fourth one is also kind of a hammer. So we don't need second invite for such trades. I've seen several such patterns over the years. So you buy here, keep the stop loss below the hammer, and run the position. Just run the position. See where it went. Sorry, this is a short one. So I went long about the second hammer, kept the stop loss down here, and I sold at 500. And again another 6-hour trade. So imagine we're churning money at 6 hour, 6 hour, 6 hour, and when we take loss, we're taking 1 hour. You can imagine how the account must be growing, right? So this is the efficacy of candlesticks. It not only tells you which stock to go for the next day, but also you can pinpoint the entries and the targets as well with candlesticks. होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया और आपको मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली यूजफुल लगा. If so, please do like and subscribe, and please share the video so that others also come to know and can enjoy free benefits of candlesticks trading.